I don't want it to jump out and run away. Okay? Are you ready? Get it!
Mother Mary comes to